We were in such a rush that trainloads of Zeks kept on arriving and arriving at the canal site before there were any barracks there, or supplies, or tools, or a precise plan. And what was to be done? There were no barracks, but there was an early northern autumn. There were no tools, but the first month of the 20 was already passing. We were in such a rush that the engineers who finally arrived at the canal site had no drafting papers, no rulers, no thumbtacks, and not even any light in their work barracks. They worked under kerosene wick lamps, and our authors raved that it was just like during the Civil War. And are these your records? No, these are engineering geniuses. They were hurled from the 20th century into the age of the cavemen, and lo, they managed to cope with the situation. Make use of the technology of the caveman, but bear the responsibility according to the rules of the 20th century. If it leaks anywhere, off with your head.